In this video, I'll guide you through how to open a joint bank account with HSBC. Whether you're sharing finances with a partner or simply want to manage money together with a family member, setting up a joint account can be a great way to streamline your finances. Let's dive into the process so you can get started with ease. First, you'll need to decide how you want to apply. HSBC offers the flexibility to either apply online or visit a branch. This allows you to choose the option that best fits your schedule and preferences. If you prefer the convenience of doing everything from home, the online application might be the way to go. However, if you value face-to-face interaction and assistance, visiting a branch could be beneficial. Once you've decided on the method, the next step is choosing the type of account that suits your needs. HSBC offers a variety of options, including current accounts for everyday transactions or savings accounts if you're more focused on saving money together. Consider your financial goals and choose the account type that aligns best with them. Next, begin the application process by entering the personal details for both applicants. It's important to have all necessary information on hand to make this step as smooth as possible. Remember, both account holders will need to provide valid identification and proof of address. This could include a driver's license, passport, or a utility bill. Just make sure these documents are up to date and easily accessible. In most cases, both people involved in the account will need to complete the application together. This can be done online or by visiting an HSBC branch. Completing it together ensures that all information is accurate and that both parties agree on the terms of the account. If you're applying online, make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough time set aside to complete the process without rushing. After you've submitted your application, HSBC will take some time to review the details. During this period, you may be contacted if any additional information is needed, so keep an eye on your email or phone. Once everything is reviewed and approved, you'll receive a notification confirming that your joint bank account is ready to use. And that's it. That's how to open a joint bank account with HSBC. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances together with ease and convenience. Thanks for watching and good luck with your new joint account.